Hello everyone, the condition of air quality in today's times is not hidden from anyone. We all know that the air quality is very bad not only in urban cities but also in small towns. It has reached a very bad level. In fact, it has reached the emergency level, and this is the reason why every second to third person is born with breathing problems and various health-related problems like asthma, whether it is cough or bronchitis or other such problems. In today's video, I will tell you about a very natural herbal detox which you can make with the help of things available in your home, and this drink or tea will not only detoxify your lungs but will also increase the strength of your lungs. It will also increase your lung capacity and remove the impurities accumulated inside it. It will help you a lot, so watch this video without any delay. Let's start. Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you that if you are interested in health and fitness videos and such topics and want to make yourself more healthy, then you must subscribe to our channel because you will continue to get such tips and tricks in the future also. If you like this video, then do like it. So let's get to the point. Let's come to the point and let's talk about making your lungs stronger. When we smoke, whether it is active smoking or passive smoking, which is a very common scenario in this age, or we have any respiratory illness like asthma or cough due to which our lungs have become weak, then what happens in all these cases is that we have airways. These are the respiratory tubes. There is mucus inside them. This mucus starts accumulating gradually over time. Its water content starts decreasing and its quantity also starts increasing. Due to this, what happens is that the surface inside our airways gets clogged. This mucus narrows the passage, and the passage of breath becomes very thin. Due to that, we will have problem in breathing and starts having different types of lungs related issues. The drink or tea we will make today, it will work in the process of freezing this mucus if already inside of airways of our lungs. If the mucus has accumulated and the respiratory tract has become narrow, then it will work to clear them and the air capacity of our lungs will increase, due to which our lungs will be able to remain healthy and there will be no problem in breathing, and we will be protected from various types of diseases caused by pollution and smoking. So to make this tea, we will need 5 things. The first thing we will need is ginger. The second thing we need is licorice. The third thing we need is lemon. The fourth thing we need is cardamom. The fifth thing we need is honey. So, I would like to tell you that ginger is anti-inflammatory and it works to reduce the inflammation and congestion in our lungs and makes it easier for us to breathe. Secondly, the thing we are using in it is licorice. It has antivirus and antibacterial properties, and it is an expectorant. That is, it works by thinning and removing the mucus that gets accumulated inside our lungs. It also relaxes our airways, which due to congestion, difficulty in breathing, or problems like asthma, we get a lot of help. The third thing that we use in this is lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C, which works to boost our immunity. The fourth thing that we are using in this is cardamom. It gives soothing effect to our respiratory system, especially to our throat. It works to prevent irritation in it and works for the cough and reduce shortness of breath. Along with this, cardamom is very helpful in clearing our mucus. The last thing we are using is honey, which detoxifies our respiratory system. Along with this, it is also an expectorant and it works to remove the accumulated mucus by thinning it. Honey soothes all our airways and helps in reducing cough in our throat, and along with this, it has antibacterial properties. If there is any infection in lungs, then it is useful in treating that also. Now let us see how you have to use these ingredients, how to make this tea, and at what time you have to use it so that you can get maximum benefits from it and your lungs can remain healthy. To make this tea, you need 1½ cup of water, 1 spoon of grated ginger, 1 piece of licorice of about 1 inch size, take 1 big cardamom, 1 spoon of lemon juice, and 1 spoon of honey. First thing you have to do is pour the water in a vessel and boil it. When this water starts boiling, then put 1 spoon ginger in this boiling water. Now put the licorice which you had taken, crush it a bit and put the licorice seeds in the water, and the third thing is the cardamom which you had taken. You put these things, you have to boil them for 5 to 10 minutes or till the water reduces to 1 cup, then you take it off the gas and strain it in a cup. Inside this hot tea, you have to put 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of lemon juice. Drink it hot. You can use this tea twice a day in the morning or evening or whenever you feel like it, at least once a day before work and at most twice. If you take this tea, it will greatly benefit your respiratory system and your lungs will start getting detoxed. So I hope you have liked today's video and it has been told about the benefits of this drink. You will definitely try this recipe and it will help you in making your lungs even more healthy. If you liked this video, then do give it a like. If you are new to the channel, then do subscribe to the channel and in future also like this. Stay with us in this journey. Till then, take good care of yourself.